Shenseea has just smashed a record with over 1 billion YouTube views. And right after, we've got Kishane Thompson reflecting on his nail-biting silver medal at the 2024 Paris Olympics. Was Shenseea's success a given, and how's Thompson dealing with his close call? Let's dive into the latest buzz. Shenseea has just hit a mind-blowing milestone. Over 1 billion views on her YouTube channel. Yep, you heard it right, 1 billion. And guess what? She's still riding high with over 3 million subscribers, and her latest track, Work Me Out, featuring the fabulous Wizkid, is already a mega hit. In just 6 days, the videos racked up a whopping 1.7 million views. So, how did this all unfold? Shenseea started her YouTube journey on November 23, 2018, and in under 6 years, this 27-year-old dynamo has blessed us with 55 sensational videos showcasing her diverse talent. From electrifying dancehall and reggae vibes to catchy pop anthems, her music has captivated fans worldwide. And here's the tea. Shenseea isn't just making history, she's rewriting it. She's now the first Jamaican female artist to hit that 1 billion views mark on YouTube. How's that for making waves? But now it's your turn to spill the tea. Do you think Shenseea's skyrocketing success was just a matter of time? Or is there something unique that catapulted her to these dizzying heights? And with this historic achievement, where do you think her career is headed next? Now, onto the next juicy scoop. Kishane Thompson opens up about missing gold. I didn't trust my speed. Jamaican track star Kishane Thompson snagged silver in the 100-meter final at the 2024 Paris Olympics, and he's got some real talk about narrowly missing gold. This silver medal is a big deal. The first Jamaican in the 100m to reach the podium since Usain Bolt's golden era. But Thompson, like his fans, was aiming for the top spot and just fell short by a hair's breadth. In a candid chat with Sportsmax TV, Thompson admitted he's grateful for his Olympic debut, but feels he could have done better. I didn't trust my speed like I should have, he said. I know I'm inexperienced, but that's no excuse. I need to adapt and come back stronger. The 23-year-old sprinter confessed he was nervous before the race and wishes he'd been more patient with himself. Instead of being upset about not clinching gold, Thompson is more frustrated with not surpassing his past performances. It's not just about not winning gold. It's about not bettering myself. I really wanted to improve. What do you think? Do you believe Thompson's self-critique is spot on? Or is he being too hard on himself? And with all this experience, how do you think he'll bounce back in future competitions? Share your thoughts in the comments.